and fireworks set off in the biggest New Year's display ever held there. Loads of you out on the streets of Edinburgh too for Hogmanay, even if it was really cold. If you want to see the fireworks from around the world, all the videos are on your BBC News app. And 2025 isn't the only thing that's over, so is Eliza's favourite show, Stranger Things.
I genuinely got the answers to my questions. It really got me tearing up, as if I wasn't crying the whole show. Stranger Things, it will be missed.
The final 2-hour episode dropped overnight, ending the story after 9.5 years. Man City looking to close the gap with Premier League leaders Arsenal later. They'll need to win away to Sunderland first, who are missing 6 of their squad playing at AFCON. Here's their manager, Regis the Breeze.
Yeah, it's a bit different, but at the same time, this is the normal.
Fuck's sake.
Idiot!
I can't help it, somebody stopped in front of me.
Hell!
You're right.
No, I'm not!
you beeping at me?
What? You're in the fucking middle of the road, you cheeky little cunt.
Shut the fuck
smash
up.
your fucking head in.
Read the highway code.
What?
Read the highway
What?
code. Don't cover me.
Go fuck off, little tosser.
Yeah, you get it. No, you go on.
Come on,
You get lost.
Come on.
Yeah, go for the rest. You're reporting to the police now. Stupid cunt.
What's you done there?
Fucking tried to ram me.
Fuck you! Fuck you! (819) 893-2273 Lima 56 128.
Pour innocent, tabarnak! On paye des millions, tabarnak, à la ville, des vrais de bicycle, tu promènes notre chemin. Tu vas pas clair. Après ça, tu dis que ça te fait un peu. Tu peux bien embarquer pour parler.
You see him almost kill me? You see him almost kill me? Yeah. Can I take your details, please? You don't mind? Get back in your truck. Sir, 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 get back in your truck. Get back in your truck. I don't want to talk to you. Can I take your details, please? Thank you. Sir, get back in your truck. You almost killed me. Get back in your truck. You're going to hear from your company. You see this? I got this on camera, buddy.
Oh, I don't care what you got it.
Get back in your truck. You're going to lose your job for that.
Oh, that's what you think.
Thank you for stopping. Thank you.